weighing in on the eve of result day, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav seems to have outed INDI's agenda. Addressing a press conference in Lucknow, Akhilesh Yadav criticized Modi government for misusing agencies like IT, ED and CBI. He said that government presented wrong data to mislead the Janata on India's development story. In the same breath, he then went on to say, and I quote verbatim, जनता इस बार गांधी जी को याद करके आंदोलित हो गई है. जनता देश के लिए बलिदान देने को तैयार है. देश का युवा सर पर कफन बांध कर कह रहा है, मेरे रंग दे बसंती चोला. He used the words आंदोलित, बलिदान, सर पे कफन to send a message to his supporters. Both the timing and the messaging is triggering a storm now. Listen in.
ED, CBI, IT, इनकम टैक्स को सरकार बनाने, बचाने और चलाने के लिए इस्तेमाल किया. झूठे आंकड़ों से देश और दुनिया को छला. व्यक्ति को व्यवस्था से बड़ा बनाने और बताने का दुष्प्रचार कर लोकतंत्र की भावना का अपमान किया. इसलिए जनता इस बार गांधी जी को याद करते हुए करो या मरो की तरह आंदोलित हो गई है और अपने देश के भविष्य बचाने के लिए नया स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन लड़ने के लिए तैयार बैठी है. जनता स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों की तरह बलिदान करने के लिए तैयार है, क्योंकि भाजपा काल में उसका जीवन तो वैसे ही दूभर हो गया है. देश का युवा फिर से कफन सर पर बांधकर कह रहा है, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला.
Adib is joining us on the broadcast with more details. Adib, INDI says that they've done their own Janta poll according to which they are winning, they are getting 295 plus. Then what is this Andolan that Akhilesh Yadav is talking about? Voting is over, polling is over. So what is Karo ya Maro? What is he talking about?
See, the INDI bloc is very confident. If you are talking about Samajwadi Party, they are saying that we have done our own survey and we don't believe in exit polls. The Karo ya Maro, the Andolan which Akhilesh Yadav is talking about, the agitation which he's saying that all our party workers, all the supporters of Samajwadi Party and even the voters, they are ready for do or die situation if the agencies are being misused on the day of counting. The counting will take place tomorrow and the people are remembering Gandhiji and it's a do or die situation for us. Our Samajwadi Party workers will be there at the counting stations and it's a do or die situation for us. We are remembering Gandhiji. He also went on to say that it's a situation, it's a new freedom struggle and people are ready for a freedom-like agitation, and this is the time that we have to be on ground on all the polling stations. When Times Now spoke to several of Samajwadi Party leaders, they were saying that it's a do or die situation for us. The people have voted in favor of Samajwadi Party and India bloc, but BJP seems to BJP can do anything. They can be planning any kind of conspiracy on the day of counting. So it's a do or die situation for us. We are remembering Gandhiji.
All right, Adib, stay on with us. Let's